Good morning, Texans, and welcome to our September 2019 online faculty meeting. At the beginning of every meeting, I like to remind us of who we are and what we stand for. And so I'm sharing with you our motto, mission, vision, and values here from Northwest High School, and then we'll also share with you our district core values. And so just as a reminder, our NHS motto is better today for a better tomorrow. Our mission is Northwest High School unites a diverse community to learn, serve, and lead while equipping every Texan to be better today for a better tomorrow. Our vision is relentless advancement in learning, care, and influence. That indicates that we're constantly pursuing the opportunity to influence others in a positive way. And then our NHS values: Northwest Texans expect the best. We value every person, including ourselves. We celebrate our differences. We lead by serving others. We create our path through our choices, and we strive for excellence. And then a reminder that our NISD motto this year is every child, every day. You'll see that in hashtags on Twitter, and you'll see it all over the district, and that's a great motto. I really like it. Here are our core beliefs as a district, and of course, obviously, number one is kids come first. We make no exception to that. Number two, continuous learning is essential to prepare for college and career opportunities. Each student's success is a shared responsibility of all of us, and our learning is influenced by environment. Then here's our Northwest ISD vision. We empower learners and leaders to positively impact the world. Great vision, isn't it? And then our mission: we are collaborative. We're working together to engage in a culture of learning. Sound familiar, y'all? That prepares all students to confidently navigate their future. So it's always important for us to start out with a look at who we are and what we're about, a reminder of those things, so that we can be on the same page moving forward in all the work we do.